Do you have mold in your home? It's not just an unsightly stain. It could be silently damaging your home and even your health. Mold thrives in damp environments, and if left unchecked, it can cause serious problems for anyone suffering from allergies or asthma. But don't worry, today I'm bringing you a natural and powerful solution that will banish mold from your walls and protect your health. Stay with me because in just a few minutes, you'll know exactly how to fight back against mold, once and for all. Hi, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dealt with moisture and mold issues, you know just how frustrating it can be. Mold isn't just an eyesore, it's a genuine threat to both the structure of your home and your family's well-being. But here's the good news. I'm about to show you a couple of simple, natural remedies that will help you tackle this problem head-on. So why is mold such a big deal? Mold thrives in areas where moisture levels are high. Think kitchens, bathrooms, or any poorly ventilated space. Left untreated, it can damage paint, wooden surfaces, and even your walls. If that's not bad enough, mold exposure can be especially harmful to people with allergies or asthma, making your home an uncomfortable place to live. But don't panic. In just a moment, I'm going to reveal a powerful natural solution to get rid of mold and prevent it from coming back. First, let's start with a few key tips to reduce moisture and keep mold from forming in the first place. Tip 1. If your walls are already damp, the first thing you should do is use a dehumidifier to lower the moisture levels in the air. In fact, I'll show you how to make your own moisture absorber at the end of this video. Tip 2. Open your windows regularly. Good airflow is key to reducing humidity in your rooms. Tip 3. Always use fans in the bathroom and kitchen while cooking or showering. This will help get rid of the steam that builds up and causes moisture. Tip 4. Avoid placing furniture too close to walls. Air needs to circulate freely, and having furniture pressed against walls traps moisture. Now that you know how to prevent moisture, let's dive into the natural solutions for getting rid of mold once and for all. I've got two amazing natural remedies for you, one to completely remove mold, and the other to reduce moisture and prevent it from ever coming back. For the first remedy, if you have lighter colored walls, mix 200 milliliters of lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. If your walls are darker, add 1 tablespoon of chopped cloves to the mix. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which is fantastic for preventing mold growth and also leaves a pleasant scent. Mix these ingredients and let them sit for a couple of hours to fully combine. Then, strain the mixture through cheesecloth to create your natural antifungal spray. Lemon is a natural antibacterial, and when combined with garlic's powerful antifungal properties, you've got yourself a potent mold-fighting agent. Now spray this solution directly onto the affected walls, leave it on for about 20 minutes, then wipe it clean with a cloth. You'll be amazed at the results, but wait, we're not done yet. To keep mold from forming in the future, we need to reduce the humidity in your home. Here's a simple way to do it. Grab a bowl, fill it with rice or salt, and then add a few cloves and bay leaves. The rice and salt will absorb excess moisture from the air, while the cloves and bay leaves add a pleasant fragrance to the room. Place this bowl in any room where you notice high moisture levels, and it will help maintain a drier environment. If you found this information helpful, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Mold can be a serious problem, but together we can protect our homes and our health. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more natural home solutions. Let's tackle these problems, one step at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 8 ways to get rid of black mold naturally. Remember, mold may be persistent, but with these simple, natural remedies, you can keep it out of your home for good. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.